Toledo, Ohio, the kid up against one of the winningest race car drivers in Summit Motorsports Park history. Quite simply, they don't get much better than Kirby McLennan. At the end of this racetrack is a check for $5 grand